Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place a cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now we are seeing this blue color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 460.6. What we expected yesterday was we expected that copper has got the potential to go for uptrend, but the only criteria was the price should break and stay above 462. You may all know that we had already achieved our weekly target also, so you should have been very careful while doing or taking your positions. So in order for the copper market to stay in good buying momentum, we expected the price to break 462 because we found that the price was repeatedly failing at 462, and we had also informed you with various examples about the importance of 462 in copper trading. Now let us see what happened after price testing 462. So it came down again, got some momentum. Our charting tool is also indicating something is there. It tried to stay above 462 like what happened on December 13th, the area where I am pointing it out. Then there was a failure, the price came down, again tested 462, there was a test again. So many times the price is trying to put something above this key and the most important resistance. There was a failure, the price came down, again it went and tested 462. You can see how many times the price is testing 462, and there was a continuous failure. At last the price fell down and closed near 458.6. Now let us go back and see the open high low close analysis, and the yesterday's market price opening when compared to the previous day, more or less it is equal, and it could not create a new high. We cannot consider this zero point 0.5 as a new high. Of course it had created a very minor new high compared to the previous day, and also it had created a minor new low compared to the previous day, just with 0.5 difference. And the major and the most important difference was the price closing. If we compare the yesterday's price closing with the previous day, the price closed lower, and compared to the yesterday's price opening, the price closed lower. This gives us a lot of negative indication for buyers. So if you see this price action, the two price action what happened in on the previous day, December 16th, and also on December 17th, both looks like the same. The price opened in the same area, went and tested this 462 again and again. There was a failure. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves based upon the COMEX price direction, we could see that the price is expected to open near the same zone where it closed on yesterday, or it can even open below this. Based on COMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. That may be subject to changes because we are not taking into account the rupee and dollar factor. Since we are posting this presentation earlier, we could not take that into account. So how we can position ourselves, because the price closing had given us some indication that see the price is not moving above 462, because we expected the price, because the price tried its best, so many times it tried its best to hit 462, but there was a failure. But we cannot go and trade against the trend also, because a single day lower closing can give us an indication there is some loosening of buying trend, but it is not a confirmation. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves, we have already reached our weekly target also. For conservative traders, stay away from the market. If you want to make use of the trend, just what we can do is that go and wait for the price to try and test 456 again. This is going to be the intermediate major zone. Again we are saying that still the trend for copper is on. So a single day price closing just can provide us an indication. It is not a confirmation that the price can come down. Be very careful while placing your orders against the trend. So 456, you can wait for the price to come near 456 and go for a buy. Average it till 452. If you find any average, if you find very small profit, book it and come out and exit from your position. Wait for the price to give us some dips and consolidation again. Copper is known for its consolidation, nothing to worry about that. So then these are the things you can buy on. Wait for the price to test the key support zone of 456, go for a buy, then wait for the price to come down till 452. We are expecting copper to stay in uptrend Go for an average till 452. If you find minor profit, book it and come out of your position at the earliest, because it can be in the consolidation mode, because we saw the lower closing also. In order for the copper to give us a very clear direction, we need a closing above 462, because it is acting as a great resistance. So this is what we are expecting for today. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.